dealing with website structure today, so let's click that design tab to take us through to the structure of your website. Two components, both design and layout, that both have their own functionality. Let's start with design. This is where you can adjust the header, the body and the footer, each section of your website, and use the various tools that we have. Notice that there are two sections which we'll discuss in your design mode. You have the upper strip, the lower strip, you have the inner header, you have the footer. So you can design every section of your website as you want using the tools that you have at your disposal. Over here, go ahead and choose the upper strip as an example. Let's change the color of the upper strip. We'll choose blue as a solid color over here, and there's the upper strip, as you see, changed to blue. Okay, the header will override any changes that you've made to the upper strip as well. Let's change the text in the header, and I'm going to change the text on purpose to white, and you're not going to see it against this white background now, because we'll change the background as well. So I've changed the text color in the header to white. I'm going to give it a bold feature there as well, and I'm going to click again, header, color. As you see, the color tool, let's make the color, the background header color, to be green, and there's your text, white text, bold, okay, on a green background in your header. We can go ahead and do this throughout your website. You can choose the background strip to change its color. You can change the header, the body and the footer with everything from color to text, font to size, and you can use borders as well. There's a whole lot of design that you can effect from the design mode of your website that will be applied site-wide. Okay, this is very intuitive, it's very easy, and lends itself towards exceptional design without you having to know or understand code or deal with coding or professionals that do website development. So you can do this all yourself. Let's give a border over here to the body, the inner body of the website. We'll see how this looks in just a minute. There we go. We'll give it this pink color, and you'll see in preview mode in just a minute how this is applied. There's the body of your website, inner body of your website, that has a pink border. There's your text, there's your background upper strip as well with the color that we decided to use. Let's look at layout. So click that layout tab. Now in layout, you can adjust the number of columns, the site width, and you can assign different columns for your page. You can change the site width to be either smaller or larger. You can also choose a different master page for the home page compared to the inner pages. Let's click the 3-column website. Notice how your website is now going to be changed automatically into 3 columns, and you can adjust these columns, making them wider or making them smaller as well as you require. Notice that also the inner pages will also be changed automatically to 3-column websites. You also have the ability to adjust each column with color, text, and again all the tools that we provide at your disposal. This is one of the inner pages. As you can see, there are 3 columns that have been applied to the inner pages as well, because this is what you've set from your layout, your structure layout mode. Thank you for joining us today.